Ever feel tired waking up to the sight of a pile of dishes in the kitchen? In a tiny studio apartment, the biggest challenge isn't just about the stuff, but how to divide a single room into a quiet resting place and a functional kitchen. Today, we'll discuss how to create privacy zones without having to build permanent walls. For many of us, downsizing or choosing to live a minimalist lifestyle in a studio apartment, the biggest challenge isn't just physical but mental. Psychologically, our brains need separation between active areas like the kitchen and restorative areas like the bed. If we're looking at a pile of dishes when we try to close our eyes, our cortisol levels struggle to drop. Let's explore how the right partitions can improve our sleep quality. Transparent partitions, light and airy. The first solution is to use a breathable partition. Linen curtains or sheer curtains are the cheapest way to create a visual boundary without making the room feel cramped. If you want something more structured, vertical wood panels or slat wood are an option. They create a modern feel while still letting in natural light. Let's talk about materials. When choosing curtains, don't just choose any fabric. For my audience in the UK or Canada facing cold winters, velvet or heavy linen curtains not only provide privacy but also act as thermal insulators and sound dampeners for noisy kitchen appliances. I'll show you the differences in texture between synthetic and natural fibers, as well as how drapery affects the elegance of your space. Two-sided furniture, the multitasker. Remember, in a small space, every inch has to work twice as hard. Use an open bookshelf as a divider. On the side facing the bed, you can place books or aromatherapy candles for a relaxing atmosphere. Meanwhile, on the kitchen side, this shelf can hold aesthetically pleasing tableware. Don't forget to add hanging plants like pot hose or string of pearls. Loyal Deco Myla viewers will know that plants aren't just decorations, but living works of art that energize a room. Now I'll show you how to style a bookshelf as a divider without making it look crowded. The key is the rule of thirds. We'll start by placing heavy items at the bottom for stability, a crucial safety factor. Notice how I've left some negative space so that light from the living room window can still reach your kitchen area. Zoning without physical boundaries. Sometimes you don't need a physical object in the center of the room. You can use visual zoning techniques. For example, use a warm textured rug specifically for the bed area. Psychologically, your feet will feel the transition from the cold kitchen floor to the comfortable sleeping area. Subtle differences in wall paint or color blocking are also effective in emphasizing, this is the work area, and this is the rest area. Vertical storage. Additional tip for those of you asking about large items. Utilize the top of the partition or shelf for vertical storage. Uniform storage boxes will hide clutter without ruining the room's aesthetic. closing call to action. Many of you asked in the comments section of the previous video, can this really be done in a real home? The answer is yes, but with adjustments. Let's discuss some of your comments about the challenges of caring for plants in low-light areas or how to clean dust from these wooden partitions. Creating a comfortable home in a limited space is about creativity, not space. Of the 3 methods mentioned above, which one would you most like to try in your apartment? Or do you have your own partition tricks? Let me know in the comments section, I'd love to read them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more decorating inspiration. I'm Deco Myla. See you in the next video.